Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is October 20th. We did get some export sales announced once again this morning at 8 o'clock. Some corn sales as well as bean sales this morning. So maybe we'll get a little bit of a boost off the start once we get things kicked back on here. But really, as you go through and you start sifting through stuff, news is very light. We know yesterday the volume for corn volume very, very light, the lightest we've seen over the last week or so, and beans very light as well. So the stories just aren't there. We're still waiting to see harvest progress really get kicking in. Still finding a little bit of harvest pressure near the close. But when you look at this overall, where are we going from here? Still, corn is hovering around this 350 level. Really hard to kind of push it either side of this at this point. Seems like the bulls and the bears are pretty happy at these levels. And you do have corn or beans that are jumping near that 990 level for November, up over that $10 level right now for January. So can we get a little more strength, try to push near these highs to finish out the week again? We'll have to see the way that the trade takes this here today. But the weather right now in Brazil, they've had a little bit of rain. To kind of ease some of the talk of this drier bias down there in Brazil, but still overall the next few weeks we do expect to see net drying yet in these areas. So keep an eye on that as this weather progresses and as we go through the next week or so. Some of the other outside markets today, stock market once again pushing new highs after recovering quite a bit off the lows that we had yesterday, and then moving itself. We're up about another 80 points here this morning, so that continues to push higher. The dollar back and forth of unchanged. Livestock today, cattle, we did have box beef that was very strong overnight. Probably going to see some strength for the start here out of cattle, but really all eyes on that cattle on feed reports where the placements are going to be watched here closely, looking for big placements again. But that will be out after the close here today. So cattle on feed report a little bit later. But give us a call. We're here to help you out. You can reach us at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today, and we'll chat again with you next week. Take care.